Hello friends, today here I explain what is Node.js and Express.js and how to run Express.js code to run Express.js, which is JavaScript framework. You need Node.js and npm. Here I install Express.js using npm install express command. Please subscribe. Using Express.js we can handle HTTP request using get or post method. Node.js is used to run JavaScript code outside browser, and Express.js is web framework to make website. Please watch whole video and subscribe my channel for more videos.